Can a therapist be sued for keeping a patient's secret? One California case changed mental health law forever. Welcome to Legal Tech AI. Today we're analyzing Tarasoff versus Regents of the University of California. This landmark case established the legal duty to warn identifiable victims when a patient makes a credible threat of serious violence. The story began at UC Berkeley, where a student named Prosenjit Poddar began seeing a university psychologist. During a session, Poddar admitted to his therapist that he intended to kill another student, Tatiana Tarasoff. The psychologist believed the threat was serious and credible. He notified campus police, who briefly detained Poddar. However, the police released him after he appeared rational. Tragically, no one warned Tatiana or her family. 2 months later, Poddar carried out his threat. Tatiana Tarasoff was murdered. Her parents sued the university and the therapists. The legal issue before the California Supreme Court was clear. Did the therapist owe a legal duty to warn an identifiable victim? In tort law, mental health professionals generally owe a duty of confidentiality to their patients. But the court held that when a patient poses a serious danger of violence to others, that duty may be overridden by public safety. The court had to balance two competing interests: the sanctity of patient confidentiality versus the safety of the public. The majority famously wrote, "The protective privilege ends where the public peril begins." The key factor was foreseeability. Since the therapist knew the threat was specific and the victim was identifiable, a duty was born. The court concluded that once a therapist determines a patient poses a serious danger, they must take reasonable steps to protect the victim. This decision remains one of the most influential cases in professional negligence and medical ethics today. Tarasoff reminds us that sometimes the duty to protect others outweighs the duty to keep a secret. Legal Tech AI, legal education, powered by AI. Follow for more landmark legal cases.